Aesthetic philosophy and praxis, right? So she's basically an artist who is writing philosophy, right? So she's like sort of Nietzsche in that way. And she will write in a very poetic way. So she'll write in this radical sort of hybrid language way, and then she'll write in a poetic way. She's not only code switching a lot with language, she's genre switching. So like I said with Du Bois, he gives us several different genres in his writing. We're going to see that in Ansel Dua, but she will not be waiting to change genres, in chapters, right? She'll be doing it within chapters itself. She'll be writing poetry, she'll be writing in English, then she'll be writing in Spanish, and she'll be writing in Spanglish. She'll throw some poetry in, some memoir in, some history in, some philosophy, some sociological analysis, some religious analysis, right? So she just throws everything together, and it creates, it's exactly what Du Bois does, but it's much more chaotic or anarchic, right? And so it requires a lot more work for us, the reader. And reading Borderlands, getting into that, and it's not going to be easy, right? And she knows this, right? So on the one hand, she wants people to read the text, right? Because she's an author. She needs to publish a text and sell the text and make money, right? But at the same time, she feels if she writes in the standard way, in a way that's going to be commodified and be sold, right, that she will be doing a disservice, a massive disservice, that she'll be negating her philosophies and her theories, right? So she has to problematize language and reading, right? She feels, right, that they have to be disrupted. Language and reading have to be disrupted in order for people to get these ideas that she's talking about, in order for people to get the Borderlands ideas that she's getting at, the mestiza idea, the in-between idea, right? That she's saying that language and reading, language and the text, right? So oral language and textual language is a massively standardized and repressed sort of institution. And in order to break the hold of that, you have to use a radically different form of disruption, of deconstruction to do that. So she's going to not only write in that way, but there's going to be lots of gaps, right? She's going to have gaps, leaps, spirals, as she calls it, undead metaphors, right? I love that term, right?